Hello, my name is Acie Cargill. What about these Asian carp? They're invading Midwest waterways and they're threatening to overcome all the native species of fish. They were imported into Arkansas to aquaculture farms and escaped around 1975 during a period of flooding into the Mississippi River. Since then, they've spread rapidly. Each female, when she spawns, lays about 500,000 eggs. There's no natural predators in America, and they are voracious eaters. They eat plankton, and that's what the native species, the young of the native species, eat also. Sometimes these carp get to be 100 pounds. If they reach the Great Lakes, it will severely impact the sport fishing industry, which is very important in certain areas. And a lot of the native species will basically disappear or become very rare. If they reach the Great Lakes, they will eventually reach the East Coast areas also and impact their fishing and water cultures. There's no use in casting blame. The important thing is to stop them from reaching the Great Lakes. Now, Illinois Governor Quinn is an environmentalist, and he has recommended the complete separation of the watersheds of the Mississippi River and Lake Michigan. Of course, that would stop the barge traffic bringing raw materials to the industries of Chicago and Northwest Indiana. If they have to use trucks and rail to carry those raw materials, it's going to increase congestion, pollution, and the prices of the finished products will go way up, and it'll be difficult for these industries to compete with foreign products, and probably they will close. It's an economic disaster for this area, especially the south side of Chicago and Northwest Indiana. Governor Quinn has always been a proponent of jobs. Create jobs, keep jobs. He just approved fracking in southern Illinois for the creation of jobs. I'll be surprised if he allows the industrial area of Chicago and Northwest Indiana to take a nosedive like this. Right now, the battle with the carp is being fought by the Army Corps of Engineers, and they are losing. We've got to mobilize our scientific community to find a way to stop these fish. If we can create super weapon systems and entertainment devices and fly to the moon, we should be able to outsmart this fish. If we don't, it's going to be an economic disaster for the south side of Chicago and Northwest Indiana.